Hello, here we have the UVU Career Development Center. This is their website. If you want to get to the UVU main page, you can click on this right here. I'm not going to go there, but also it has here the same things you'll find here on their navigation bar. I'm going to go scroll down first. We have here information sessions, career passport program activity. Looks like that might be something about resources that you could use for interviews. Need a break? What's this? Finals Movies Week? Okay. We've got students, employers, and resources. I'm guessing that career passport's like our handshake. So there we go. And on the bottom we have partners or sponsors. Oh, also social media site. Clickable things. I'm going to go into students, see what they offer for students. Meet our counselors, career events, handshake. Oh, well, okay, they have handshake too. Here we have some resources. Listed are links of national job search engines. That's a good option. Graduate school fair, education resources. I don't exactly know what that is. Anyway, that's what they have here. On students, let's go to employers. I have a nice little thing here explaining what that page is about. Register for school fair, the button. And that's what they have. Let's go to About Us, see what they have there. And the little map on there. And some of the people who work there. They have a lot of people that work there. Anyway, that's the lowdown on Utah Valley universities.